Are you ready to declare independence from endless sales cycles this 4th of July? Imagine cutting your sales cycles in half and scaling faster than ever, all with the help of AI in GTM Engineering. Let's spark your sales revolution today. My name is Tony Koenig. I am the owner of Koenig Digital, and I've worked with B2B founders just like you, helping them harness the power of AI to scale their business and optimize sales processes. Over the years, I've seen how leveraging the right tools can free businesses from inefficiency and guesswork. And today, I want to show you how you can achieve the same. Yeah, but here's a disclaimer. If you're still relying on outdated strategies, you're not just stuck in a long cycle, you're leaving growth, revenue, and opportunity on the table. Your competition is already adopting AI to drive smarter, faster decisions. Don't get left behind. Let's be real. In today's fast-moving market, a long sales cycle can feel like a ball and chain. Each step is tedious, relying on guesswork and manual processes. But what if you could cut that time in half? What if your team could predict buyer behavior with precision and close deals faster than ever? Here is where AI steps in. By integrating AI into your GTM strategy, you're not just automating tasks, you're gaining critical insights. AI can analyze buyer intent, predict outcomes, and optimize every touch point in your sales process. Imagine a lead scoring system that's 10x more accurate, or personalized marketing campaigns that convert at double the rate. Take Sarah, for example, a SaaS founder running a $5 million business. Before adopting AI in her GTM strategy, her sales cycles averaged 90 days. After implementing an AI-driven approach, she saw a drop to just 45 days. That's 45 extra days to focus on customer retention and scaling her business. All because she declared her independence from inefficiency. This 4th of July isn't just about looking back, it's about looking forward. The AI revolution is happening now, and businesses that embrace it will lead the charge. Those who don't, well, they'll be left in the dust. So, if this is resonating with you, let's talk about how you can implement AI in your GTM strategy. Click the link below to schedule a free call and explore your options. This 4th of July, don't just celebrate freedom, claim it for your business. AI in GTM engineering isn't just the future, it's the present. Don't let long sales cycles hold you back any longer. Book a call with me today and let's spark your sales revolution. I'll see you in the next video and keep on scaling.